Welcome back to the channel. I start by standing next to the gleaming silhouette of the 2026 Suzuki Hayabusa, early morning light dancing across its sculpted fairings. Welcome back to the channel, I say, voice low with anticipation. Behind me, the bike rests on its stand, every curve and airflow detail visible. As the camera slowly pans from the pointed nose to the tail section, I continue. Today, we are diving deep into Suzuki's newest legend, the 2026 Hayabusa. I step around it, letting the camera capture the exposed side profile. This machine is all about engineering excellence, aerodynamic evolution, and raw, unfiltered speed. I walk with intent, fingertips grazing the fuel tank. Underneath this sculpted form lies a power plant we've heard whispers about for months now. As the shot shifts to close-up of the engine, my voice grows quieter. Suzuki's engineers have reworked the 1,340 cubic centimeters inline-4 engine, tweaking valves, optimizing combustion, and introducing a new exhaust layout. The result? A rumored power bump pushing beyond 200 horsepower, while keeping emissions and weight in check. A split-screen graphic appears. On one side, the 2025 model engine specs, on the other, tentative 2026 details. Although specs aren't finalized, early dyno runs hint at a 10% performance gain, without sacrificing rideability. I pivot, hand resting gently on the fairing. But power isn't everything. This Hayabusa gets a complete aerodynamic facelift. The visuals cut to wind tunnel footage, smoke tracing around the fairing as designers observe airflow. That familiar humpback profile is more refined than ever. Sharper winglets now guide air to stabilize the front at triple-digit speeds. Channels around the tank vent turbulence away from the rider's helmet, reducing buffeting even at the highest velocity. The shot flips to the dashboard, a new and unexpectedly slick 5-inch full-color TFT display. Inside the cockpit, Suzuki smartened up. This TFT display is brighter, richer in detail, and now includes adjustable ride modes, traction control levels, and even a Bluetooth-enabled smartphone overlay for turn-by-turn navigation. I mount the bike, camera switching to a dynamic angle behind me. The feeling when your throttle opens is different on the 2026 model. With revised ECU mapping, the power delivery is smoother, more linear from idle to redline. That means no more shocky janks mid-corner, and when you crack the throttle open in that sweet spot, it's pure, sustained thrust. I twist the grip gently, audible engine growl rising. The audio track mixes in engine sound, enriched by the new exhaust system. Suzuki teased that the exhaust isn't just about noise. It's a lighter, titanium-infused unit that trims weight and gives a deeper resonance. That growl you just heard, it's earned. The angle shifts to suspension detail. The inverted fork and rear shock. And the suspension is completely retuned. The front uses updated cartridge internals for instant response, and the rear shock now has a wider adjustment range. Whether carving mountain passes or riding dual carriageway straightaways, the bike stays planted. A visual overlay shows before and after suspension geometry graphics. This geometry tweak shifts the center of gravity slightly forward, delivering sharper turn-in and extra stability mid-corner. I stand up on the pegs as the camera transitions to a road test. The Hayabusa leaned in through a sweeping curve. In the corners, you feel it instantly. The bike slices through apexes with keener precision. But when the road straightens, you're surfing on a wave of mechanical refinement that holds and smooths, rather than jacking and jumping at high speed. Cut to a slow-mo shot of the bike straightlining, front fairing cutting through wind. Aerodynamics and engine harmonize, so at 300 kilometers an hour, or beyond, this feels like science fiction made real. I use the open road behind me as backdrop. But the magic isn't just in the mechanical bits. Suzuki's packing in rider assist tech. Think cornering ABS, upgraded traction control with lane-sensitive intervention, launch control refined for smoother starts, and even adaptive cruise control designed to hold steady at 150 plus kilometers per hour with less fatigue on long straights. The visuals illustrate each system with simple icons overlaid. ABS shield, traction control swirl, cruise control speedometer. Back in the garage, I circle the bike as close-up shots linger on details. The carbon fiber look tail cowl, billet aluminum foot pegs, and braided brake lines. Premium materials show up in surprising places. Lightweight aluminum subframes, carbon decorations, even titanium hardware in stress points. My close-up of the brakes shifts to the brake caliper. A Brembo-style 4-piston clone. Brakes bite with authority. Dual 4-piston calipers biting at dual discs, with radial mount effect. Combined with switchable ABS, it feels powerful and controlled. I step back, letting the bike fill the frame. Styling-wise, it's homage and evolution. The Hayabusa profile, instantly recognizable, seems timeless, but freshened. LED headlight and taillight clusters, sharper yet familiar. An overhauled tail section that's compact, but purposeful. A side-by-side compares the 2025 and 2026 profiles. Minimal, meaningful redesign. I lean in, lowering voice for the wrap-up. So, what's the real takeaway? The 2026 Suzuki Hayabusa takes everything you loved, beat-the-clock speed, aerodynamic mastery, reliability, and supercharges it with precision engineering, advanced electronics, and rider-friendly restraint. I gesture to the bike stance. The rumored pricing hasn't been locked down. But industry guesses suggest a modest premium over the current model, which still keeps it compelling for buyers wanting the pinnacle of leader-class performance. I bring it home facing the camera, Hayabusa in the backdrop. I can't wait to test one on a long, open highway or on track days. Feel that mid-corner thrust, that controlled power surge. I smile. Let me know what you're most excited about. That growth in power output, the ride mode tech, the aerodynamics, or just the feeling of Hayabusa on your back. Hit subscribe, ring that bell, and tell me your dream test ride route in the comments. Until then, may the throttle be with you. Fade out with the engine echo and final silhouette shot as the sun sets.